hydrogen's turning point, from potential to commercial reality. Hydrogen has long been positioned as a cornerstone of the global energy transition. Yet despite its promise, one fundamental challenge has limited its adoption: cost. Today, the vast majority of hydrogen production, approximately 95%, still relies on fossil fuels. Green hydrogen, while cleaner, remains significantly more expensive, often ranging between €3 and €8 per kilogram. This gap has slowed the widespread adoption of industry. However, the next phase of hydrogen is not being driven by policy alone. It is being driven by technology that changes the economics. A shift in efficiency. Traditional hydrogen production technologies operate at efficiencies between 50% and 65%. This creates a fundamental inefficiency in energy conversion and ultimately cost. Emerging technologies are now addressing this directly. By utilizing industrial waste heat, often abundant in sectors such as steel, cement, and heavy manufacturing, next-generation systems can achieve efficiencies exceeding 90%. This is not a marginal improvement. It is a redefinition of the cost structure. Lower energy input directly reduces production costs, bringing green hydrogen closer to commercial parity with fossil fuel-based alternatives. Beyond efficiency, commercial viability. Efficiency alone is not enough. For hydrogen to scale, solutions must also address durability and the cost of deployment. Advancements in materials, particularly ceramic-based systems, are now enabling technologies capable of operating at high temperatures without degradation. At the same time, reducing reliance on expensive components, such as precious metals, reduces both capital costs and long-term maintenance costs. Together, these developments move hydrogen from concept to commercial reality. A market at scale. The global hydrogen market is projected to grow from under $10 billion today to nearly $200 billion over the next decade. This growth is not speculative. It is being driven by industries that must decarbonize, but cannot compromise on performance. Steel, cement, transport, and energy storage all require solutions that are both scalable and economically viable. Hydrogen is one of the few technologies capable of meeting that need. The investment perspective. For investors, the opportunity lies not simply in hydrogen itself, but in the technologies that enable it to scale. Particularly compelling are businesses that solve the cost challenge, offer scalable, capital-efficient models, align with long-term structural demand. These are the companies that tend to attract both institutional capital and strategic acquirers as the market matures. Hydrogen is no longer a future concept. It is an emerging commercial reality, but only for those technologies capable of delivering both efficiency and scale. Oakmount and Partners, identifying opportunity before it becomes consensus.